United States Marine Corps C-130 Hercules transport, affectionately known as Fat Albert. On the runway from the left, Fat Albert will soon be rolling. They'll accelerate to 140 miles per hour, simultaneously fire their JADO bottles, and execute a high-performance climb with the aircraft in a 45 degrees nose-up attitude.
The updated winds are calm. We on the air. Let's take off. Have a good one. Over, ready to fire up Millville. Number 5, fellas. On the board!
In the course of a complete show season, Fat Albert will fly more than 140,000 miles, carrying a normal show load of 42,000 pounds of fuel, 25,000 pounds of sophisticated equipment, and a specialized maintenance and support team of 40 personnel. And to the left, Major McGath will establish Fat Albert on a very steep approach angle to simulate a landing in mountainous terrain or in a hostile environment. Demonstrating this short field landing capability, they will touch down and immediately position the propellers to full aft, stopping the aircraft in just 1,500 feet. You will notice not only can the aircraft stop quickly, it can actually taxi backwards.
Come visit the Millville Army Airfield Museum. We have free admission. We're open Tuesday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're preserving World War II history, and it's a great place. Thank you.